Hello everyone, this is our first video from our new office. Before I start, I would like to thank each and every one of you to be part of my journey. Thank you so much for being part of my YouTube channel, and I am going to make more such content for you so that you can grow in your spiritual journey. So today we are going to talk about what happens if you don't fulfill a soul contract. Do you ever wonder why you keep encountering same challenges in life, or why certain people seem to show up repeatedly bringing the same kind of lessons? This isn't just a coincidence, it's your soul way of guiding you. Today, we are going to explore what happens if you don't fulfill a soul contract and why it matters for your own spiritual journey. Soul contracts are agreements made by our souls before we are born. These contracts involve important lessons, experiences, people who are meant to help us evolve us, grow in life. But what happens if we don't fulfill them? Is there a consequence to putting these soul lessons on hold? In this video, I am going to break down what soul contracts are, what happens if we don't complete them, and how we embrace our spiritual path to create more harmony in our lives. Number one, repeating life patterns. Where the soul contract goes unfulfilled, you may find yourself in a loop of similar challenges. Have you ever noticed how certain types of relationships or situations keep repeating in your life, almost as if life is just nudging you to learn something again and again? For example, you might keep attracting partners who challenge you in the same way or end up in the same jobs where you face the same conflicts. These recurring patterns are not just random things, but they are the signs that the lessons is waiting to be learned. These are your unlearned lessons. It's as if life is hitting replay, giving you another chance to understand and grow, and you're not understanding it. Number two, emotional discomfort and resistance. Ignoring or avoiding a soul contract often leads to feeling of resistance or discomfort in a relationship. This can manifest as a deep-seated sense of restlessness, feeling stuck, or persistently searching for something undefined. I'm sure many of you can resonate with this statement. Maybe you find yourself constantly dissatisfied or always feeling like something is missing in your life, no matter what you do. This emotional discomfort is your soul trying to communicate with you, signaling you again and again that you need to pay attention to your unfulfilled path. It's a reminder that growth is waiting for you, although sometimes it is painful, it is necessary, but the fulfillment is absolutely essential. Number three, impact on the future lives that you are going to take. Here is where it gets even more enduring. If the soul contract isn't completed in this lifetime, it is believed that the lessons doesn't just disappear. Instead, they may be carried forward into future lifetime. Picture a lesson that you avoided in school. Eventually, you would have to confront it to your graduation. In a spiritual sense, the same rule applies everywhere. If you don't address and learn from the soul lessons, it may appear in a different form in your next life, continuing the cycle until the soul gains the understanding it is seeking for, or it is meant to seek, because it is karma. Number four, physical and energetic manifestation. Ignoring soul contracts can even have physical repercussions. Energy that isn't acknowledged or processed can get stored into your body, leading to physical ailments, fatigueness. You might feel drained without any clear explanation, or face chronic issues that don't seem to go away. Energetically, it's like having an unfinished task that keeps weighing you down again and again. Your body and energy field will often try to signal you through these physical manifestations that there is unresolved work which is to be done. Trust me, universe is reminding you every single time. It is just the acknowledgement in you is absolutely essential. If it is not there, you're going to face problems. Now, number five, opportunities for growth. Now, here is some hope. Soul contracts aren't meant to punish or burden you. Many people misunderstand that. Even if you are avoiding or struggling with a lesson, life is kind and patient, and universe is just like your parents. It will continue to present opportunities for you to learn and grow. This means that even if you have faced setbacks or feel like you have missed your chance, there's always another opportunity waiting round the corner. whether it's through a new relationship, a shift of a career, or even an unexpected life event. The universe keep offering you ways to reconnect with your soul purpose. Number 6, recognizing and embracing your soul contracts. The first step of fulfilling a soul contract is awareness. Start by paying attention to reoccurring patterns, familiar dynamics, emotions that trigger you again and again. Reflect on these experiences and ask yourself, what is life trying to teach you? Meditate, journal, use tools like Akashic record reading that can provide you such deeper insights about your soul journey into your soul blueprint. By exploring these tools, you gain clarity in your soul journey and you get to learn what is stored for you for your highest best to move into the higher path. Number 7, overcoming fear of change. One reason many people avoid fulfilling their soul contracts is fear. Fear of change, fear of unknown, fear of failure, so many kinds of fear. It's important to remember that our souls chooses the soul contract not to harm us but to help us become stronger, wiser, and more aligned with who we truly are. Embracing the lessons can feel uncomfortable at first, but as you step into your truth, the fear begins to dissolve, replaced by a sense of peace and purpose in your life. Fulfilling a soul contract doesn't mean that life will be perfect or that you may not face any challenges in future. It simply means that you're moving into the intention that you're going to learn lessons your soul is here for. By paying attention to these signs, acknowledging your patterns, and doing the inner work, you align with the deeper sense of your existence on this planet. Your soul is resilient, compassionate, always offering you a chance to learn and grow. If you're ready to discover more about your soul contracts and how to fulfill them, considering exploring meditation practices, journaling, and schedule your Akashic record reading session now. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, share this video with anyone who might need a reminder that it's never too late to step into your true path. Book your Akashic record reading now. The link is given in the description box. You can connect with our team on +919634003939 or directly book your reading from www.sanskritiseti.com. I will see you in the session to explore your past life, your soul journey, so that you can make your present your best. See you tomorrow.